Greetings from Ron's living room. I got another horn. It's going up for sale on Reverb. I'm also going to be putting it up all over my social media. This is a 1970 Getzen Capri. Silver. Okay, so you're saying, what's a Getzen Capri? Well, if you look at the Getzen website now, they'll say that the Capri series, well, it's an intermediate, which is basically what Step Up is. Now, this one's an early 1970s one, so it has the vintage Getzen, what I call the Mohawk counterweight tuning slide protector, which I've always thought these were cool. I mean, you find them on the earliest Getzens from 1947, 1948 with the deluxe, the super deluxe and whatnot. It also has the additional counterweight here, which is 6-sided. And you have your beautiful Getzen, vintage Getzen braces, as you find here. And it's really solid construction. There are no dents in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it says right here, Capri by Getzen. The inside of the bell looks great. The hand slide section here, this is looks like it was nickel plated, but it's kind of worn. But the rest of the horn is silver, so it looks kind of funky because, I mean, they made it nickel to last, even though some of it's worn, and then the rest of the horn is silver, so it's kind of got this bluish metal against the warm silver color. Bottom of the slide, it looks like it's been repaired a little bit, but it's solid. There's no leaks. New spit valve, slide lock, fully functioning. That's that Getzen slide lock. It's attached to this cork barrel, so you can't unscrew it. It just slides around here. It's got that fat flange on it, and it's got this Getzen, I guess what you'd call it, a slug, slide lock slug. But the horn's great. It's a 500 bore, 8-inch bell, which is pretty standard for student models nowadays. But this was made in the early 1970s. So let me go ahead and do a demo. Again, please forgive me for my poor playing quality, but I will give you an idea of what this horn sounds like. Here we go. We'll start with a B-flat scale. We'll do an F scale. Well, I hope that was enough for you to give you a good idea. It's got a very warm sound, though it's silver, and it's a 3-pound horn. I put it on the scale. It's 3 pounds and a few ounces. So it's comparable to horns that you're going to find today, made by either Jupiter or Edwards or Eastman. It's about that weight. It's about that size. It's that bore. It's about that bell size. But this is Getzen construction, which has always been American made. It's always been very solid, and it's something that you could trust with and last the test of time. So the only thing I'll tell you is that the slide is a little bit noisy. So if you ask me, just a little bit, but if you ask me what the rating is, I'd say 7.5 to 10. Okay, it moves very freely. It doesn't grab, doesn't stop, doesn't click. It just makes a little scraping noise, and I think that just comes with the age, the fact that it's a 54-year-old horn. It comes in a case. That case is behind me there. It's that red line case back there, solid hard shell case. Anyway, pick it up. It's a great horn. It's wonderful to have. It's a great practice horn. Hope you like it when you buy it. All right, bye-bye.